Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And when Leo's here, sometimes he becomes a chef and teaches us some Hakka dishes. 今天呢，我们是不是要把这个整个移到厨房里，要开始要介绍一道好吃的客家料理？
没看我今天的打扮，就是一个厨师，
没错，
戴个
高帽，对，越高就表示那个厨艺越好，
段数越高，
对，没
错。
哪一道菜呢？
今天要教大家的就是挑姜炒鸡肉，
要炒的东西了，对不对？Something stir fried。挑姜炒鸡肉，鸡肉鸡肉，
对，
记得了。
Okay,
so stir fried chicken, but something stir fried chicken 是什么东西？
挑姜就是豆酱
哦，豆酱，客家的豆酱。
对对对。
据我所知，应该是就是甜甜咸咸的豆酱。
对，它有一点点甜味，那甜味可能比咸味多一点点。
Okay, this sounds interesting. This might be easy to make too because it's the bean paste stir-fried chicken. And this bean paste is Hakka bean paste. It's kind of sweet. It's salty as well. And it's readily available. You can actually buy this, at the supermarket or local market. So this might be something easy to prepare. 所以大概怎么去准备这道菜呢？
我们大概就准备有鸡胸肉嘛，然后呢，准备葱蒜头，然后姜嘛，然后再准备一些炝菜，就是青菜。
Okay. So a bit of veggies, a bit of greens mixed together, stir-fried, along with some ginger, some green onions. 我们来教这几个材料怎么用客家话讲好了。很重要的 ginger，
姜嘛，
然后葱呢？
葱
以及你刚刚讲还有一些蔬菜。
对，我们就统称炝菜。
Okay, that is again just vegetables, green vegetables.
就是青菜就烫过嘛，然后呢，再来我们就把姜啊，还有葱啊拿去爆香，爆香过之后呢，炒鸡片，然后呢加上我们的黄豆酱再来呢再把青菜放上去就 OK 了。
OK， 所以这豆酱是比较后面再放就好了，而且你刚刚讲的也不用放太多了。
对，其实那种酱料啊，它不是主食啊，不用放太多，味道太重了。
With a little splash of bean paste along with all those ingredients, stir fry together, and now you have a fresh hot dish for you. Okay, it's called 豆酱炒鸡片。
挑姜炒鸡肉。
挑姜炒鸡肉。鸡肉 is chicken. 炒 is stir fried, and 挑姜 is your bean paste. Try it yourself at your own kitchen and have fun and have a good meal with it. That does today's talk about Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.